Welcome to Arden Woods, where you can own a new, modern townhome or single-family home in Malden's newest and only destination community with unmatched amenities. At Arden Woods, we have 4 distinct collections of homes, so you're sure to find what you're looking for. I'm Lisa, and I can't wait to show you around. Let's get started. So much forethought went into this community design. Coming soon will be the sparkling Junior Olympic pool with dueling water spouts and shallow water sunbathing area, a beautiful clubhouse, and pickleball courts. Here at Arden Woods, there is never a shortage of things to do, from multiple playgrounds, dog parks, walking trails around the community pond, riding your golf cart on the designated paths, to assisting with the community garden. And as day turns to night, s'mores at the fire pit or dinner at the scheduled food trucks will quickly become a tradition. Envision life in a community where getting to know your neighbors and hanging out with family is encouraged. Beyond loving your community and all it will offer, you've got to love your home inside and out. Here at Arden Woods, you will get to choose from 4 distinct collections of homes. We offer maintenance-free townhomes, first-floor owner-suite villas, 2-story and estate-style homes. Finding the perfect home to fit your lifestyle and budget has never been easier. And from the outside in, you get to add your signature touch to your home. At Ryan Homes, we know this is a dream of yours, and we want to help you make it exactly what you've envisioned. Do you want to be sure everyone has space of their own? We've got you covered. Our floor plans consist of 3 to 6 bedrooms, 2 to 4 bathrooms, 1,600 to 3,300 square feet, all with garages. You can rest assured we have what you're looking for. Living in this location is ideal for making your everyday life easy. Arden Woods is located in the heart of Malden, with everyday needs like grocery stores and interstate access being less than 5 minutes away. Looking for a day of shopping? Then look no further than Woodruff Road, which is only 1 exit away. Conisty Park, one of the upstate's premier parks, is less than 10 minutes away. Here, your family can enjoy Little League baseball or a hike on the nature preserve where you can spend time around Lake Conisty. And of course, you can rest assured your kids' education is top-notch since Arden Woods is zoned for the Greenville County School District. The vision for Arden Woods sounds pretty amazing, right? Are you imagining your life here? Be sure to take the next step and schedule your visit today. I can't wait to welcome you home.